In 1955, the streets of Montgomery, Alabama were a battleground for civil rights, a fight that found an unlikely hero in a 15-year-old girl named Claudette Colvin. As an 11th grader, Claudette was inspired by stories of African-American trailblazers like Sojourner Truth, Harriet Tubman, and Jackie Robinson during Negro History Week. These lessons ignited a passion for justice within her. On a March afternoon, Claudette and 12 fellow students boarded a Montgomery bus. As more white passengers got on, the driver demanded that 4 black students give up their seats. While 3 students reluctantly stood, Claudette refused, later saying, "I remained seated. History had me glued to the seat. I couldn't move." The atmosphere grew tense as white passengers yelled at her to get up, but nothing was moving her from that seat. Eventually, the driver called the police. Claudette was forcibly removed, arrested, and charged, not just with violating segregation laws, but also with assault and battery of a police officer. She was taken to the city jail instead of juvenile detention, facing a felony charge that carried indefinite probation. Claudette would later remark, "That arrest changed my whole life. I was ostracized by people in my community. Their parents persuaded them not to be involved with me. I lost a lot of friends because of that." 9 months before Rosa Parks' famous act, Claudette Colvin struck a blow against segregation. Despite this, her story remained in the shadows. Later, Claudette became a key plaintiff in Browder v. Gale, the case that ultimately led the Supreme Court to outlaw bus segregation in Montgomery. Claudette Colvin's courage at just 15 years old helped ignite a movement. Her legacy is a powerful reminder that bravery knows no age.